Struggling courts all across California are laying off court reporters because they say they're unable to afford them. Well, now CBS 13 has uncovered a reason why. The state judicial branch is taking millions of dollars supposed to go to those reporters and spending it elsewhere. Tonight, we're on the money.
Give us your clinical findings first, and then any subjective findings, if you will, please.
If you go to court in California, you're required to pay a $25 fee for a court reporter, sometimes more. But CBS 13 has uncovered the money is going elsewhere to pay for things like janitors and other employees, which is approved by the Judicial Council of California. They run courts all across California, and last year they spent $6.5 million of court reporter fees on other things.
If it weren't for the janitor, then the court might not have stayed open in the first place.
Finance Director Zlatko Theodorovich says it's perfectly legal. His judicial council is allowed to take from the court reporter fund, but Assemblywoman Fiona Ma calls it unacceptable.
If you are paying for something, you expect to get a service.
It's crazy.
Placer County court reporter Pam Katros knows the problem all too well. She learned this month she may lose her job. And we found it's happening all across the state. Courts in San Francisco and San Diego, as well as San Joaquin, Alameda, Ventura, and LA counties, have all laid off court reporters in the last year. In fact, in many California counties, not only do you have to pay a fee for a court reporter, but if you want a record of what actually happened in court, you have to hire your own.
It's not fair. People are going to be hurt by this.
The judicial branch blames the governor's budget, which cut judicial branch funding 15% this year.
We wouldn't have these problems if we didn't have the money crunch.
But you are saying that it could have happened.
But Ma says because fees are mandatory, court reporters should be the last thing to go.
People should care whether their proceeding is going to be recorded or not recorded.
It's embarrassing to me to think that we've gotten to where we are.
The Judicial Council plans to continue taking some of that court reporter money to then cover its budget costs. We'll keep charging those court reporter fees, however, as they go forward.
New tonight, PEP